Today's letter is C. And guess what? I'm going to talk about a freedom fighter today. His name is Chandrasekhar Tiwari. Friends, this is Kahani Vachak Swati back again with another story for you. And as promised, today's letter is C. And guess what? I'm going to talk about a freedom fighter today. His name is Chandrasekhar Tiwari. Oh yes, I am talking about Chandrasekhar, and I'm going to tell you how we got to know him as Chandrasekhar Azad. So there's a whole story which goes behind his name. Chandrasekhar was born on 23rd July 1906 in Madhya Pradesh. His parents wanted him to study Sanskrit, to go to Kashi and study Sanskrit. Why? Because he was born to a Brahmin family. His dad, Mr. Sitaram Tiwari, and mom, Jagrani Devi, had plans for him to make him well educated like the Brahmins used to be in those days. But Chandrasekhar was not so interested in studies. He would rather work towards throwing out the Britishers out of his country. And something happened during that time which jolted him and confirmed what he wanted to do. And on April 13th, 1919, a huge massacre happened in Jallianwala Bagh. And I know many of us know about it, that it was the most pathetic incident happening in the history of India, when more than 1600 innocent people were killed by Britishers for no reason. And this jolted Chandrasekhar so much that he did not want to go back to studies but to work towards throwing the Britishers out. And during this period, Mahatma Gandhi organized a non-cooperation movement, which meant that Indians would not cooperate with the Britishers. Chandrasekhar he was actually looking out for something like this, and that's why he participated actively in that movement. And what did he do after that? He got caught obviously by the Britishers and was thrown into a jail along with the other people who were in the movement. When he was produced in front of the magistrate asked him, "Tell me your name." And what did Chandrasekhar say? He said, "My name is Azad." Magistrate did not like his answer. So he fired another question to him and said, "What is your father's name?" And he said, "My father's name is Freedom." That actually irritated the magistrate a lot, and he was punished and beaten up by the Britishers. But guess what? This did not deter Chandrasekhar at all. And from then he has been known as Chandrasekhar Azad. He is very popularly known, but we have very few images of Chandrasekhar, and this is one of the most popular images that we have with us. This is Chandrasekhar Azad. He was a very brave freedom fighter, and he would participate in many movements. He became a part of many such movements in the future. Rather, he was one of the main organizers of such movements. One of these movements was the Kakori train loot. Actually, this train had a lot of British money going in this train, and so the Indians, the freedom fighters, along with Chandrasekhar, planned to loot this train. Many got caught in this event and were jailed, but Chandrasekhar somehow escaped. And not only this, he escaped many such movements where people were caught and thrown into jail, but it was a tough task for the Britishers to get hold of this fellow Chandrasekhar Azad. In one of these movements, when Bhagat Singh and Rajguru were caught and thrown in the jail, Chandrasekhar Azad thought of getting their punishment lessened, and that's how he went to Allahabad for the same purpose. While he was planning to meet people and get their punishment reduced, he was suddenly surrounded by the Britishers, and this was in 1931. He had no other way to fight against those Britishers, but the only ammunition that he had was a pistol. He shot 5 rounds of bullets from his pistol, but when there was just one left and he knew that he would get caught and they wanted to catch him alive, he finally shot himself. Why? Because he never wanted to be caught. His motto was, दुश्मन की गोलियों का सामना हम करेंगे, आज़ाद ही हैं और आज़ाद ही रहेंगे. And like his thought, he was never caught and he died at a very young age of 24. So that's the story of Chandrasekhar Azad. I hope you enjoyed this story. There are many such stories of freedom fighters who have really worked hard and died for our country. So I wish you learn more about such stories and look for more such stories, and I am going to definitely come back with another story for you. Hope you enjoyed this session. This is Swati saying goodbye. Take care.